4 of the mirror, and now we're going to take it apart. Pretty, but now I'm going to start spray painting this mirror right here. As you can see, I taped it off with the painter's tape and all that. So I'm going to paint this part white and this gold. I don't even know if I'm keeping this on here, but probably so. But we're just going to go at it. And this is a hanger I'm doing, so let's get it, let's go. Alright, y'all, so I just have everything right here drying. Real cute. Hey y'all, I'm out here spray painting once again. Y'all probably feel like all I do is spray paint, but all I do is spray paint, legitimately. So right now I'm just doing some kitchen stuff. I'm about to do some more stuff in my bedroom, but kitchen comes first right now. I'm totally out of gold spray paint. You guys know I used a lot on the 4th of July or whatever. I used a lot the other day, so I'm waiting for this stuff to dry. It's super hot out here.
When we bought it, we walked into the living room, and this space was all closed off. So we rearranged all that to make more sense in the back of the house, and then opening this up just made a huge difference in how.
Hey y'all, what y'all doing? It's me, Michaela Janae, starting a new vlog. This weekend we're supposed to be having a hurricane in my area, so I'm just gonna be vlogging. There's gonna be a little hurricane vlog. We're gonna see how this go. Right now it's not even raining or anything, so I'm pretty much chilling. We got some snacks, we prepared, we're safe, we got everything together. So I'm just gonna be vlogging and see how everything goes. Right now I'm just chilling, but I'm kind of hungry. I haven't even been vlogging like I should. I don't know what I've been doing, but I've been so focused on getting my room together. If you guys have not seen that vlog, it's either because I didn't put it out yet or because you're just slacking on the uploads. I'm redoing my room and I already did my closet, so that video should be out, so be on the lookout for that. So my next tip is to go through and make sure that everything you have works and is functioning. So right now I'm going through my pencils and I'm only keeping what works, and then I'll decide what I want to do with them. I have a test sheet of paper right here, so then we're going to see what needs to go and what doesn't need to go and what can actually stay. Right here I put my brushes, and I'm going to get more makeup brushes eventually, but right now I don't have a lot, so they do not need to be out. So I'm constantly switching things around, seeing where I like it, but make sure you test things out. So this is currently how I cleaned up my desk area. As you can see, it is a major transformation. Really what I had to do was declutter and really think about what is the most purposeful way that I can use this space. So it's not gonna stay like this. Some things are, some things aren't, but this is basically the main setup, organization, and clean off. I have a whole bag of trash that I did. This will probably change tomorrow, but it's still going to be on a picture frame. This is a picture frame, and I'm going to DIY another picture frame because just I don't know if I like the rose gold. This area is such a vibe. I'm loving this area. I think I want this picture to go up there. In this area maybe. The cookie jar that I don't want to get rid of, that is where I'm keeping my cotton. As you can see, I know it's a little shady with the light off. I put the mirror in a place where it can stay. I took off my board that was right here. As you can see, it's right there. And I will be covering it in a new velvet that matches my room colors. So once I get that material, then I'll put that back up there, because as you can see, the desk is all messed up right here, and this is where I do my makeup, and I just don't want to have to get makeup all over this black desk. So that's why I put that down there. And it's actually just an old painting of mine that I put something on the back of. And I have all my palettes in here. This will be changing its color because this does not match my room anymore. I will be changing this color, and I don't know if I'm going to be keeping it right here or probably moving it right here, but everything will be spray painted white tomorrow, and then we're gonna go from there, whether I paint it or do whatever. but it is much more organized, much neater now. I'm so excited. I cleaned off my mirror. It's just such a vibe. I put all of my pens and pencils in here. This is really cute. I'm loving it so far. It's like a whole new area. I will get more decorations and it's gonna come together more, but first I just had to declutter and get my life together. So it's already looking so much better. Like, I really love this section over here. So yes, we're gonna keep going. I think I want like a neon sign for up there. I'm not sure yet, but we're definitely gonna see. Don't mind my head. It's Hurricane Day Part 2, but it's still sunny and really pretty. I'm just about to spray paint right now because I'm always spray painting once again. So I'm just about to do this for my room. And look at me. Hot mess, but it's hey y'all, so it is still the same day 2 of the hurricane. It's still sunny outside, but my Walmart is completely out of bread and water and like little snack foods. My mom actually took a picture, like all the little Lunchables and stuff. That's gone, but I think they re-upped on the bread. We actually got some bread, but they were out last night. My parents went out and got some more food for us. It's still not storming, but it should come in tonight. I'm sitting here crafting because that's what I do. So that's what I'm doing. I just want to come check in. Everything's still fine. The outside looks fine. It's going good. Thanking Jesus so far. We're trying to make sure all of our family is evacuating, the ones who need to evacuate. So we're staying in good spirits. So please excuse the shadiness, but this is my new and improved palette holder right here. I cut up a pair of my old jeans and I covered it. I glued it on with E6000 and I added these diamonds right here. So this is what my palettes will go into. This is super cute. And this is what I would put my towels in. I don't know how to, what you call those? Like these towels right here. And my sticky notes. So this is a little sticky note container that was the same blue that I showed you guys before, and this is how it came out. It is so pretty. Like, I am in love with this thing. So these are super cute. Now I'm just about to place them on my desk and we're gonna see how nice they look. I covered with jean material, and this is like some specialty jean material I got a long while back, but I absolutely love it. And I used some yarn. As you guys know, yarn and jean is going to be like an ongoing theme in my room. So I actually switched out this picture frame right here with my picture in it. I was using this as a little platform for my facial products, but I spray painted this white picture frame right here, and I just feel like it looks so much better and sleeker. It looks more like an extension of the shelf. So I'm absolutely loving this look so far. So this is the vibe right now. I still want to put like a plant right here. So right now I am currently loving it. I don't have any of my plants yet because fake plants are expensive, but right now I just have this like this, and all the cute things are to the front and the little, you know, smaller things and not so cute things are to the back. But I just have my cute rose water, my rose oil, and my toner right here in the front, and I absolutely love it. So this is definitely a vibe.
What kind of specials y'all have? All right, let me get that. Spicy.
Making my wall tapestry. I'm using yarns that I already had and wrapping it around this piece of cardboard, and it's going to come together really nicely. So I just want to show you guys the process a little bit.
What? What's that for? The front door, baby.
Alright y'all, so I changed out this. I don't know if I told you yesterday. I changed that out. I brought the books down. And I finished this. This is how this looks. And I also painted my Neutrogena wipes. I painted it white so it could be like less blue, of course. I have some candy up there. But everything is looking nice. Today was my first day doing my makeup in this vanity. So it's not finished yet, but we're getting there. Alright you guys, so currently it is day 2, I think, or day 3. I'm not sure, but today is Saturday the 13th, and my power went out. I was good all day, but now my power is out. I'm holding a light up and I'm using the lights in my closet. The power went out while I was painting, so that is crazy. But I'm happy that it's late at night. It's like 9-10 o'clock, so we should be fine. Hopefully by the time we wake up in the morning it's back on. So it is the next morning. Let me see if I have better light right here. It's the next morning. The power is still out, but now we have everything hooked up to the generator. Last night was a rough night. I had trouble sleeping because I was really hot. It was not fun. That's why I look a hot mess, but we have everything like kind of hooked up a little bit, but I'm super tired. I didn't get much sleep. That's how I feel right now. It's not raining currently, but the power still isn't on, so we're gonna have to see. Who is DOT?
The rain ain't stopping, just started back. And I came out and all my food down.
Look at it, Michaela, look at it.
That's why people stand on this side.
Oh my gosh.
See them? They ain't no good.
The white ones?
Yeah.
Why?
You have to go way through that fast.
Oh my goodness.
What you say, come that way, man?
So this is the current overview of my vanity desk area. I added the jean stuff, and I also added this picture frame that I didn't want to put right here, and I put the Louis Vuitton logo, the multicolor logo, in there. I just think it's really cute and classy. I might go back and print it with my name or an M or something, but right now I just like how it looks perfectly fine. I'm not trying to add too much, but I might go back and, you know, put an M on there for Michaela Janae, of course. And I am going to put something else right here. I want it to be a Bluetooth speaker, but it might be a plant. I don't know yet, but hopefully it'll be a Bluetooth speaker. And one thing that is missing, of course, is my mat right here to protect my desk while I'm doing my makeup, which I'm going to be purchasing soon. But I also just remembered that I want to change this chair, and by change it, I would like to paint it definitely and change the seat cushion. So that's what I'll be doing tomorrow. I will be painting this chair black. It blends in perfectly fine right now, but it's brown. So I want it to be black to match the rest of the furniture. So I'm going to paint this black, and when I go to the fabric store to get the rest of the fabric for the room, I will be getting some velvet to put over this part of the chair. So I am super excited about that. I actually just remembered that I was supposed to do it, but you can't really see under there, but everything is looking super pretty. This, of course, is going to lead. I'm doing something with this wall, but this has really came together. It's much neater, organized, and I'll also be putting like a little plant right here to cover up that wire and stuff, but it is coming together beautifully. I also finished this tapestry in other news. It's really dark right here, but this is just a little sneak peek of the tapestry. It's beautiful. I love it. Please excuse the bonnet as always, but I forgot to tell you guys that the lights came back on today. They came on at about 5-6 o'clock, and I just felt so blessed. We were enjoying the lights, so I forgot to film when they came back on. But as you saw, I did ride around a little bit today, showing you guys the water on the highway. It's really crazy. A lot of people, a lot of souls have a lot of damage. Thank God I don't bless those who were hurt during trees falling and all that kind of stuff. I'm just praying for them tonight for sure, because I feel so bad that they have to go through that with this storm. But I also feel so blessed that we're all safe and together, and we have a gas stove so we were able to cook, and we had a generator, so we weren't completely, you know, in the dark, literally and figuratively. So it was a discomfort, but I'm more thankful than anything that we did not get hurt. I have a tree right over my room, so anything could have happened, but the Lord really spared us, and I'm just so thankful for that. So I had to come on here and let you guys know that. Yes. Good night.